Hello again, I'm ChewOnTech and welcome to another video review. Today I'm going to take a look at the SunBeamTech SATA/USB to HDD Docking Station. In the review unit includes the HDD Docking Station itself, the user's manual, a AC adapter, the USB to Firewire adapter, and the eSata cable. Do note that this docking station is only compatible with all SATA drives, sizes ranging from 2.5 to 3.5. At the back of the hard drive docking station is the power button, the DC in, the USB port, and the eSata port. At the bottom of the hard drive docking station are 4 rubber mounts to ensure minimum vibration when using this hard drive docking station. There is also a clip at the front to eject the hard drive after use, and this is the hard drive activity light. Finally, let's take a look at how this hard drive docking station works during normal operation. Inserting the SATA drive inside this docking station, after which you switch it on and a blue LED will be lit up, and to eject you gotta press this. To insert the USB cable, you have to insert it here and connect it to your main PC. You can also insert the eSata and connect it to your eSata port in your motherboard. The external hard drive inserted into the hard drive docking station would appear as a normal hard drive, so you do not have to install any software. Overall, this hard drive docking station is awesome. I give it the editor's choice rating. The pros of this hard drive docking station is that this hard drive docking station allows you to connect your SATA hard drives via eSata or Firewire. And this has been another video review. I'm ChewOnTech from ChewOnTech.com. Do remember to visit the forums at forums.ChewOnTech.com, and if you wish to support ChewOnTech, please visit support.ChewOnTech.com.